and we had our breakout as we predicted from the last week. Hopefully you saw my video when we talk about the perfect setup for naked, and that's what we got. And I got a lot of comment from you guys to do naked, and now I'm doing it pre-market. I just uploading this video for my Patreon, so if you want to see exclusive video pre-market, check my Patreon. I will do like always pre-market videos and exclusive videos on Patreon, and you can check this out in my description below. And as I show you guys, no editing, no BS, no delay, just straight to the information, straight to the chart, and we discuss what happened with naked. So shall we go to the video and see what the price will do today? Let's go. Before we go to the video, like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right to it. As we saw here in this previous video, guys, I told you we gonna see the price bounce from this exclamation movement average, as we predicted in this video here. As we predicted, we said buy at this price, because I told you guys here we want the bounce. The price was before the 0.58, and I told you this is important level to watch out for, around the 0.58, because we got rejected, and I draw this line. I told you we're gonna see a bounce from it. Look with me closely here at our exponential average. I told you we're gonna see a bounce, and that's what we got here. We got big jump here, then we got rejected because we didn't test our resistance at 0.58, and this is really important to note. Always when we go to any resistance, is not healthy to jump. Like we got a big gap from the 22 to 23, big gap. The price being triggered by FOMOing, and people just FOMO and just price get triggered, and we went to even 0.63. Look with me, but we got rejected. That's why we got back and tested so many times the resistance. That's how the market maker make sure that the price went to this price is above, and general price is not triggered by FOMO. That's why we bounce first from this level, because we didn't bounce from it later. We bounce from our exponential average. Look with me, perfect, like we predicted in the last video that we did. Boom! When we tested here at exponential movement average, look what happened to the price after we tested 3 times here at 3 candles at the 23rd of April, and guess what? We open at the Monday with the big jump, and this is the genuine move. And as I told you in this video again, I told you we're gonna see the price get rejected here around the 0.65. Exactly, guys, we got rejected at 0.66 just by 1 cent. Look with me, this is crazy. This is crazy. Here, boom, we got a bit of rejection. That's why we went back even to 0.62. This is perfect. This is perfect, guys. That's why after we got rejected here, then we got our confirmation after we got bounce above our exponential average. Then guess what? I told you we're gonna see a rejection again here, and that's what we did by yesterday at the 26th of March, at the 26th of April. This is crazy, and that's now what we gonna see. Now this is really important. This is healthy way to test resistance. This is not healthy what we did here, the big gap. That's why we got rejected big time. But here, look with me, this is really perfect. We got rejected, but we didn't go below really lower. This is a really healthy way to see a rejection around our resistant area. So now what we care about, the most important thing that I can see for naked to do right now, guys. No BS here. Look with me, guys. This is really obvious. The price now testing the 0.74, and this price is not any price. This is the price where the smart money, the market maker, want to make sure after this price, is this genuine price, to take it higher or not. If not, we don't bounce from the 0.74 or 75 and we close here like what we did here. We got rejection, then we go below here. If we got rejected and we don't see the 0.75 exactly and closing candle above, we gonna see a rejection and the price retrace back even at our exponential average here. This is even healthy. If we even go around the 0.67 is still good, guys, because we're still trending above our exponential average, and we're gonna see a really healthy bounce again here to try again to overcome the 0.74, because now we have the momentum. Look with me, the momentum, our momentum indicator is above the zero, guys. This is perfect. Now let me guess and see what's happened in the big picture to see more clearly. And wait a second, let me see here. Boom. As we can see, guys, our exponential our volume indicator, as we can see here, just turn to positive, just at zero. Still we not clear yet for changing of a trend. We need a closing candle above the 0.75 to confirm that we change our direction, and we even see the $1 if we close here, guys. This is really important. This is major for naked and changing trend, because now we have the momentum, we have the volume almost turn to positive in the big picture, because this is really important. In small picture we are already in positive, but we need to relate the small picture with the big picture to have a bigger sign. So if we have a closing candle above the 0.75 and the volume turn to positive above the zero, this is a big indication that we're gonna see another test for the other resistance, that we're gonna see a bit of rejection. Guess what? At this level, guys, this is really important level, around the 0.82. But the major one, I can see a bit 100% rejection around is 0.90 cent. Before the $1, of course. This is a bit of rejection we're gonna see, and a bit of sell-off around this area. So watch out for those level. The first level, if we close even above the 0.75, we're gonna see a bit of rejection around the 0.84. And if we have a good volume, we might get big jump like this, but 99% we're gonna see a rejection around the 0.90 cent. Precisely, there's a big massive sell-off here before even we see the $1 and change the trend, even see the $2. But this is the level of test before the price to go any higher, so be careful from that. And the other thing, guys, this is we have to watch out for if the price went below our levels. So now what I can see, the turning point for naked, if we want to see even the $1, by this week we don't want to go below the 0.64. This is simple as that. This price, we don't want to see it in order to actually confirm our the uptrend. We already have a confirmation that the trend is up now, and we change in the momentum. But for easier way for the rocket to go to the moon is never go back below the 0.64. This is really important. If we go here, a sign of slowing momentum and selling off will be triggered, and we go even lower for naked. So be careful from the 0.64 or 0.63. We don't need a candle closing, not just a wick, a candle closing below our line here. This is a big indication for downtrend again for naked. But at the moment, perfect as we predicted before, when we got a bounce from here and we have a confirmation of above our our resistant level here at the 058. So congrats about the people who actually saw my video that we did at the 23rd of April, and we it got the perfect entry for naked. But always told you, there is another opportunity, guys. There is always another opportunity. So be patient and hunt for exact right price value with me, Trading Jesus. And always, guys, check my Patreon. Is perfect if you don't want to wait, and you have exclusive videos pre-market, so you get ready to hunt before the market open. And there's over there again a Discord channel, so we can talk, discuss, buy, sell limit, and the exact prices, the buy and the sells, everything at Discord channel. You can actually get the privilege when you subscribe to my Patreon. Will be really good to support me, and at the same time get the exact exclusive videos pre-market, and other requests from you, of course, like the stock that you, or like you want me to review, or will be happy to do it for you. And again, guys, always updating daily with you guys here and YouTube. So as we told you, always be patient and let's hunt for exact right price value. See you guys in the next video.